Hey, Bushwhacker. Come right back at you, Chicken Man. Sounding good, sir. I gotta tell you, it's that month of time. In the corner. Chicken Man, I'm glad you're rolling on through. Hope you have yourself a safe and happy holiday season and a very Merry Christmas. Coming on up. Chicken Man, always good hearing you. 122 State of Maine, back out this go around. Check. No doubt Bushwhacker in Kentucky sounding real good up here in this Big Apple. No.
I just wonder if this old radio will get up there to Pistol Grip. I just wonder if this old broken down donkey Stomper can make it to Pistol Grip. Hello, Pistol Grip, 018 Beavis and 10 with the wave.
Hey, 018, my man Trintron, I don't know how to tell you how to Hey, 018, my tango Trintron, he got no idea how a kite work. Hello, 018, you're worldwide, 12731 back out.
Hello, Pistol Grip, man. I hope you're doing okay up there, and I hope you had a good holiday. I think we're rolling the gate, man. If everything over here is working right, we got you on the gate. You're sounding real good in Tennessee this evening, Pistol Grip. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a holiday wave.
Well, you know, Beavers, I really want to stand here and tell you there was a train wreck in the message. There was a whole bunch in there with you, but I'd be lying to myself when the video game viewers. Your Pistol Grip 122 Maine, bump it down, turn the wave.
Alrighty, Pistol, I got to holler at my buddy 122 Maine. He's hollering at me, too. Hey, 122 Maine, man. You're sounding real good down here in Tennessee, as always. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Wow, 018, you're definitely knocking on the door up here in Maine. I gotta tell you what, 018, Tennessee. That new beauty, 122, trying to bump it back.
School bus bar.
Hey, 122, yeah, I got you in there real good, man. You and Pistol Grip are battling there. Y'all are taking turns down here in Tennessee. Y'all are battling. It'll be Pistol for a minute, and then it'll be 122 for a minute, and then Pistol for a minute. But I'm rolling the gate, and you can watch it, man. 018 Beavis in Tennessee with Holiday Wave.
Well, that's when it's fun. That's when it's fun, no doubt about it. Hey, 018, we're going to slide back down. Let old Pistol Grip have it, no doubt. 122 Maine, hey, we're sliding.
No, I did Pistol Grip. 122 Maine and Pistol, I heard you too, but I got one more I got to get a hold of here. Hey, Trintron 9, 018 Beavis with a Holiday Wave.
Hello, 018 Beavis. Good afternoon time, 018 Beavis. 148 New York waving.
Hey, Trintron 9, I heard you come in there, man, but 148 got on your back, Bubba, so I'm going to have to talk to my radio. Hey, 148, man. Good evening time to you. I hope you had a good turkey day and hope you have a good holiday coming up, man. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Right there, right back, Beavis. Sounding real good like you usually do. I just want to let you know I appreciate them gates, and I definitely subscribe to them, and I appreciate listening to everybody go at it from time to time. You're doing a great thing there, my friend. All right, 018, had a beautiful holiday. Hope you did the same. 148 New York with the evening wave. I'll see you, Bumba.
No, Mr. 148, it's all your talk show down here in Tennessee right now, and I got you on the gate, and as long as my gate and everything's working right, I got my new bearings, and I've got some more equipment coming, but we're about to get this video gate stuff in a little better shape where it's going to sound a little better when you listen to it. 148, happy, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and Happy New Year, and all that good stuff, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis back reading the mail.
And that's a 148 to 018 Beavis Roger. Appreciate it, my friend. 73, so I'll see you, Bumba.
Check.
Goes around New York. Okay, 357, we appreciate you letting me know this old baby driver is working. Absolutely, no doubt about it. We try it on small rocks. Absolutely are. 122 Maine letting you know and sliding back out.
Riding away, walking on water. Let's see if I can get Trintron 9 on this gate one time. Riding away, walking on water. Hello, T9018 Beavis, holiday wave.
Kind of rough in there, but you kind of came over to the top. Hey, 42 around Indiana, happy holidays to you. Sounding good around here.
That'd be my 357. That'd be my 357. Roger, bye-bye-bye.
357.
Hey, 122, do me a favor. 122, tell my buddy 357 to 018 said happy holidays, man. Tell 357 to 018 said happy holidays. He's a pretty good old friend, man, but he's far enough away I can't talk to him.
You know, son, what's the wrong reason there?
357, 018 Beavis, want me to roll a 5? 018 Beavis, want me to roll a 5 and wish you a happy, safe, and holiday season coming on up. 122, state of Maine, just letting you know.
Seeing this big apple tree. Your lady was really good around Cody. I was really trying to get down. Come back, catch the lady come around. Smarty Jones, they call me Smarty Jones, east side of the
Got it, chicken. Hey, now roll up, roll.
Hello, 357. Before you jump up in there, I just want to say hello, evening time. 357 and 10, 0148 New York with the afternoon way.
He rolls it back, 122 back out.
Thank you very much, Mr. 122. Appreciate it. Trintron 9, I heard you, man. It's rough and tough in there. Our 148's got that mall down, but I heard you T90 018 waving.
Yeah, sorry about that, Beavis. I don't want to knock these guys out. I just want to say hello, and I got my beam one way, and they got their beam another way, so it's kind of going back and forth. I don't want to mess up the gate, but I'm just waving a hand to the band. 357 if you got a sloppy copy. 148 New York with the way.
Hello, 357. If I get...
Hey, man, you go right ahead. I'm sitting here and I'll sit back and listen a minute. Let the gate roll.
Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Your pistol go bang.
Pistol Grip said let it roll.
Hey, 357. 120, 357, your friend 120 around Connecticut, brother.
88, you gotta post that link in my comment section. 88, you gotta post that link in my comment section. Oh, you. Little feedback there.
I was kind of all around right now, but she's breathing as well right back. 257 and 10, you're 120 right here, right now.
I'll step in there a minute and say hello to 120 and wish him happy holidays. 120 in Connecticut, 018 said, worldwide, get on down. Hey, man, happy holidays to you and yours from 018 Tennessee Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper, 120.
Hey, 018 right back, man, I hear you in there. Hey, 018, I hear you in there.
2501 in your TGIF New York video gate. I'm at 2501 in your TGIF #1 New York video 127 New York video gate. Oh, I just had a key on pistol. I had to just put it on pistol's head. Hey, Beavis, just the official gate. I just had to put it on pistol. 148 go.
You better be nice, 148, and quit that.
I'm always nice. Once in a while, I like to play around with Pistol. Me and Pistol have that hate-love relationship, if you know what I'm saying there, Brett.
Oh, yeah, me and Pistol Group's good friends, man. He's a good old dude. I like him. Think a lot of him and Trintron 9 both.
Oh, of course. He's a great guy, Pistol. Pistol's a great guy. I just like to... One time I keyed on him and he says, oh, you have your... I told him I'm in the mobile. He goes, you got your mobile hooked up to the tower. I go, no, I don't. And I beeped the horn and he got... It's kind of funny. All right, oh, good. Go ahead, Pistol. Let me say hello to my man, Trintron 9, riding that Coney Island wave. I'm waving to the band. I'm stepping back. 148 in these trees, sipping on a little wine, feeling fine. I'm back quiet. Welcome to the weekend, Trintron. Just got down.
Trintron, hey, Trintron 9, I got you on the gate pretty good there, right there, man. I got you a couple times here. T9, happy holidays, buddy. It's good to hear you in here. I'm glad to hear these conditions. 018 riding that wave.
That's right.
Still riding that old wave up here into the corner with 018. I gotta tell you, absolutely got some Mother Nature shining down on you. A 122, letting you know.
Hey, 122, I got you in strawberry patch, man. You're strong. You sound real good, 122. You got some good conditions down here in Tennessee this evening, man. But I hear you in there loud and proud, 122, 018 waving.
Yeah, no, 148 up here around New York waving.
Just letting you know, you still got some real good Mother Nature rolling into the NEC. 122 blackout. Bye-bye-bye.
No, 122, yeah, you know 148 are swapping licks. But yeah, you're sounding real good, 122. Sounding real good, 148, 018 Beavis. We're rolling the gate a few more minutes here.
Bumped it down, and we just want to say hello out there around Indiana. Appreciate the bump. Have a great rest of the day, my friend. 148 New York, I'll see you, Bumper.
Well, Cold Bucket, West Virginia. You roll up into the corner up here.
All right, let me put it wide to the side, 73s.
You got down.
I'm reading the mail. Kentucky waving, they got video game number 1 of the ground.
Hey, Smarty Jones, I better say hello to you too out there, man. Hello, Smarty Jones, 018 Beavis, holiday waves.
Hey, Beavis,
120 and Trintron 9 mix-up right there. I had a 120 and Trintron 9 mix-up, but I hear you 120, sounding good, man. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, right back, 018. Sounding good in my northeast corner. Hey, 018. Clear up. Welcome to the weekend. Hey, 122 rolling through.
No, 120. Hey, man, you have a good weekend. If I did forget, it is Friday Night Fights or whatever, however you call it. 122. Talking to my radio, 122 main keeps bumping in here like a big dog. 018 Beavis rolling the gate.
Alright,
Roll. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's do it. With the wave.
You know you did it, 148. You know you did it. I ain't got to tell you.
A certain amount of time, you do a 15-minute, 10-minute, 20-minute.
Just relayed that message.
Alright, I'm rolling this gate directly to my computer, so it's a better quality. It's going right into my computer. I'll have to upload it. It's going to be about 15 minutes. I'm fixing to go in here, when it gets about 15 minutes on or so, I'm going to go in here and take a nap here in a minute and get off here, but I heard this skip running in here and I had to get in here and say hello.
A real good copy. Okay, I was just curious. So that's good. If it's at least 15 minutes long, then everybody gets a chance to make the gate. Very nice. That's a good amount of time. All right, cool. Real good copy. All right, my friend. Just being a little nosy. I'm on the mail. 73s.
Those chickens.
Yeah, I'll upload it before I go in here and lay down. So about the next 30 minutes or so, it'll probably be uploaded on YouTube.
Inquiring minds want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Copy that. Okay, I'll look for it. Thank you, Beavis. 73s.
Check. Inquiring minds, Trintron 9. Inquiring minds, Trintron 9. Trintron 9. Man, it's good to hear you come in here like that. 018 Beavis told you that.
And Georgia, no choice about it. Hey, Dirty Bird, sounding good up here in the corner. A 122, letting you know.
The man with the cornbread in his hand just go down.
Town farm riding the wave and walking on the water. The man with the carpet in his hand. 018. Broken down donkey Stomper down here in Tennessee with the wave.
Come back. Happy holidays to you. Smarty Jones said that in New York. We're listening. Bye.
Yeah, let you know,
Hey, Smarty Jones, I got you in there right there, man. Smarty Jones, I got you in there right there, man. 018 Beavis. It's Smarty Jones wave.
No, we had the old north-south conditions there. It's been a little bit more westerly for us up here in the corner. So, hey, maybe it's starting to change. No doubt about it. Hey, a dirty bird. Sounding good up here? Absolutely. I will let you put the ribbon on at 122 back out.
Plugging in my ears down here. Take care, appreciate you coming. Beavis, take care once again. Smarty Jones said that in New York. I'm going back.
Roger, Smarty Jones got you on the gate real good right there, man. Sounding good, Smarty Jones? Happy holidays and have a good weekend, man. You know who it is? Your friend TN01AB was down here on his old broken down donkey stomper. Hey, Trintron 9, it was your turn right there. 18-9, it was your turn right there. You pretty well come up on top there, Trintron 9.
357, it must be the antenna. That's all I've changed up here, just the antenna and the heights and such. We just got some real good Mother Nature rolling on through, but haven't changed a whole much else here up here in this whole station, no doubt. But 357, I appreciate you letting me know that this little radio is doing a little talking over that way. 122, hey, we're back out.
My car, I'm going to the water and go get some shit. Yeah, 122. Good, 122. The whole sun around Tennessee waving. What the way you baby? Oh, dirty bird, Smarty from New York, right. Where's that 120? You sounding good up here in the state of Vermont, and no kidding about that. You sound like you're right here in the front room. 966 Vermont, we're clear and standing by for you come back.
Hey, 966 Vermont, I'm going to get her in hard at you, man. I don't talk to you much. 966 Vermont, 966 Vermont, 01A Beavis with a holiday wave down here in Tennessee.
Yeah, coming, right in there, working on that. Back at you. Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Right back there, man.
I heard a little Cape Cod, Massachusetts in there. I still hear Trintron 9. Trintron 9's over here riding the wave. I hear him too. He's riding that wave, old T9 is, but I heard Cape Cod, Massachusetts, man. 01A Beavis with a holiday wave your way, man, down here from Donkey Stomper.
I stay in the wave, I stay in the water, I stay on the wave. What's going on, Sheriff? What's going on, Mr. 966? What's happening? Crush with the wave.
How about it, 28, round the bend.
Have a super fine holiday coming up. God bless you and yours that way. You're one with the moon.
It's about to get funky. You sound good. You quiet the band. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Make that band nice and hush. Copy on the boys, keying down, and you're just getting down. Hey, it is what it is. Sound good coming out the band. You know how it goes, Mr. Sheriff. Just waving a hand. I'm sitting back in the cup. Waving a hand. Bum bum. Drop top when I clean up your pistol. Go bang. I'll put this thing with the grip. I can't talk dirty birds. Oh, man. Around the Buckeye. Around the Buckeye. Smarty Jones.
Conditions on New York. I'm back. How about that Mama's Kitchen? How about that Mama's Kitchen?
Hey, good afternoon, Tom. Run DX Line, old worldwide panty snatcher on the mail.
Hello, Panty Snatcher. Hello, Panty Snatcher. You sound real good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis waving your way, Mr. Panty Snatcher.
Keep moving up here. What's your sound? Bird in Georgia, I'm gonna slow key. You're 999, Lord knows the bird. Burger.
I'll try one more time. Panty Snatcher, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the weekend wave. Worldwide Panty Snatcher, I hear you down here in Tennessee. 018 waving one more time.
Hello, London. That's what you were supposed to hear. Worldwide 148, worldwide 148, worldwide 148, right there, right now.
Worldwide 148, got them all down.
Hello, I heard you calling my man Worldwide Panty Snatcher. Well, you can pass a nickel. Tell Mr. Panty Snatcher 148 waving 4 on the thumb there. Break.
Hey, Panty Snatcher 148, want me to tell you he's waving 4 on the thumb? Hey, Panty Snatcher 148, want me to tell you he's waving 4 on the thumb. 018 Tennessee Beavis passing that 5.
Appreciate passing the nickel, my friend. I appreciate when you pass the nickel, Mr. 018 Beavis. Sounds louder than a 5 o'clock whistle up here around New York City. Sound of choice, my friend. Keep doing what you're doing, because you're smoking up here in the boogie down Bronx. 148 in these trees is rocking on.
Hey, 148, save some of them flowers for yourself, man, because you're going to like it when you hear this gate. I'm still rolling it right now. You're going to like this. Sounded good, 148. Good to hear from you, man. 018 Beavis standing by.
Right there. I heard the old dirty bird jump in there when Beavis got off the key. Hello, Mr. Dirty Bird. 148 with the evening wave right there, right back. Keep yelling at him, though. You can get through there. You know? Right there, right back, Mr. Dirty Bird. You're doing your thing up here around the boogie down Bronx like you usually do. Smoking and you ain't joking, Mr. Worldwide Dirty Bird in the world. What's so Regal here? You calling up the same county and you wipe each other out. Appreciate the comeback, Smarty.
Go ahead, you got the Silver Beagles.
And there's a Dirty Bird. Hello, Dirty Bird, 2 guns in the garden. Hello, you Dirty Bird, 2 guns in the garden, bringer. Beach corner, coast of Maine.
Hey, 2 guns, I'm going to try to get you on this video game, then I'm going to end this thing. Hey, 2 guns in the garden. 018 Beavis, a holiday wave, man.
Dirty Bird, weekend wave. Dirty Bird, 2 guns. Dirty Bird, 2 guns. The champ, weekend wave. Bye.
2 guns, I'm going to try to make contact with you one time here, man. Happy holiday, Mr. 2 Guns, and weekend wave. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
One more time over there to 10. Guess who can wave one more time over there to 10. 018 Beavis. So roll through the NEC. 122 trying to let you know.
Hey, 122, you got them all down in Tennessee, man? 122 sounding real good there in Tennessee, man. I tell you what, I'm going to end this gate, and I'm fixing to go in there and take a nap. If Skip's running when I get up later on tonight, we'll roll another gate. But that's about it for me today. Hope you all have a good evening, a good weekend coming up, and a happy and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying bye. Catch you later.
I see you, 148 New York Crush, waving, boom. Oh my God.
buy 128, buy 122, buy 122, buy 148, buy a pistol grip, and buy Trintron 9. Catch you later, Smarty Jones. Anybody else I forgot, man? Have a good one. We're in this gate right here, right now. Gonna load it up on YouTube. Catch you later. We're 10-7.